He put the light bulb in his mouth for an online challenge, but once inside, the bulb got stuck behind his teeth, and he couldn't open his mouth wide enough to remove it. He went to a fire station for help, but they couldn't safely remove it without breaking the glass. At the hospital, doctors used a special tool to gently open his mouth wider. They had to dislocate one side of his jaw to create enough space. Then they slowly pulled the light bulb out without breaking it. Afterwards, they popped his jaw back in and he was able to recover.
So say, I don't think it would be dangerous to dislocate the jaw because they don't want to break the light bulb, but looks like it's more to the extreme. Now, do they have other apparatus that they can put something around the light bulb or put something closer to the back of his throat? So the whole goal of not breaking it is so he doesn't swallow, because you don't want to swallow glass. Hello. So you don't want to do that. Before I would do that, I would probably try to see if I can get something else. Try to use some type of equipment or apparatus or some kind of something, a gauze, I don't know, to figure out if there's a way to wrap behind it. Because you have instruments that can go all the way back and around and see if they can take it out that way. This way, if the glass shatters, it's going to shatter in that gauze or whatever that may be, right? Like a shield. I would do that first, and then before I dislocate, because you dislocate, that's a surgical procedure, right? So you always have to do in nursing or in healthcare, invasive first, unless it's totally required. Non-invasive. So you don't want invasive mean you're going to either pierce the skin, surgical procedure, anything that anytime you have to break the skin or break a bone or break something, then that's invasive. Non-invasive is like what I'm describing. Let's try something first. Let's try, a piece of cloth, something to get that light bulb out. Because your goal, you want it to crack. So now think about this. You just broke the man's jaw. Now what is the implication after the fact?